The Jeep Renegade key fob for 2015 through 2021 models uses a CR2032 battery. When your remote stops working, replacing this battery is usually the solution. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool and a new CR2032 battery, available at most stores for under $5. First, locate the seam on the back of the key fob. Insert your pry tool into the seam and gently pry the case open. Be careful not to use excessive force, which could crack the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting that the positive side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the same orientation. Snap the two halves of the case back together firmly. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, try cleaning the battery contacts with rubbing alcohol. The entire replacement process should take only a few minutes and can save you a costly trip to the dealership. If your key fob still isn't working after a battery replacement, reprogramming might be needed, which can sometimes be done through the infotainment system or may require a dealership visit. Low battery can cause intermittent signals, so ensuring a fresh, quality battery is crucial. Be sure to recycle your old battery properly at a designated drop-off point. While this fix applies to 2015-2021 models, newer Jeeps use battery-efficient technology like Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) for longer battery life. The trend is shifting towards digital keys on smartphones, potentially phasing out physical fobs in the future. For now, keeping a spare CR2032 battery on hand is a good idea for older Renegades.